Welcome back, guys. We're always on the lookout for great deals, and electric bikes can be incredibly practical without breaking the bank. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best value e-bikes on Amazon for you. All the bikes detail and links are provided in below description. Gotrax R1 e-bike is designed for versatility and performance, featuring 20-inch asterisk 2.6 tires and a 48V battery that powers a 500W motor. Reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour, ideal for commuting, campus rides, and outdoor exploration. It offers up to 15.5 miles of pure electric range or 25 miles with pedal assist. The foldable design allows for easy storage and portability, while the durable transmission system handles various terrains, from beaches to mountains. Dual disc brakes, a LED headlight, rear reflector, and bell enhance safety and visibility, ensuring a confident ride day or night. The R1 combines convenience, durability, and safety in one sleek. Introducing the NANO lightweight electric bike, the perfect blend of power and performance with a 350W motor, reaching speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour. Its lightweight design and 14-inch tires ensure smooth, easy handling. Powered by a 36V 7.8 dual disc brakes, an LED headlight, and rear reflector ensure safety day or night. Enjoy a ride with convenience and confidence on the NANO electric bike Maneuver, perfect for commuting or riding through parks. A compact, efficient bike for your daily adventures. The Gotrax Flex Ultra is a powerful, comfortable electric scooter designed for smooth rides with dual suspensions, an adjustable saddle, and 14-inch wheels. It reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour and offers a 25-mile range. Perfect for daily commutes or cruising. The rear basket holds up to 39 pounds, and the folding design makes it easy to store. With dual drum brakes, lights, and a durable steel frame, the Flex Ultra ensures a safe and reliable ride. Introducing the Luimp electric motorcycle. Powered by a 500W brushless motor that reaches speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, conquers slopes up to 30 degrees with ease. Equipped with a 48V 20-hour removable UL 2849 certified battery. Enjoy up to 62 miles in pedal assist mode. Choose from 4 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, classic bike, and walking mode for total versatility. Tackle any terrain with 20-inch all-terrain tires, shock absorption, and a durable magnesium alloy frame. Comfortable, stylish, and adventure-ready. The Luimp electric motorcycle brings freedom to every ride. The Freego F3 Pro Max is a high-performance e-bike with a 2000W dual motor, reaching speeds up to 34 miles per hour and conquering steep hills with 85 Newton-meters of torque. Its 20-inch x 4.0 fat tires provide excellent grip on sand, snow, and urban roads, while the front and rear dual suspension ensures a smooth ride over rough terrain. Hydraulic disc brakes offer precise stopping power, and the LCD interface displays real-time updates on speed, battery, and distance. With powerful headlights and taillights, the F3 Pro Max is perfect for any adventure, day or night.
A Mongoose bicycle, trails, sand, snow. The trickier the terrain, the more fun you'll have on this Dolomite fat tire bike. 7-speed twist shifters and a Shimano rear derailleur offer ultra-smooth gear transitions. And when you're out on the trails, the bike's front and rear disc brakes provide swift stopping power. You'll enjoy year-round riding thanks to the durable mountain bike frame. The 4-inch wide, supersized knobby tires let you conquer challenging terrain, including snow-covered surfaces. The fat tires roll on wide alloy rims, which are both lightweight and extremely durable. This versatile ride is also outfitted with a threadless headset and a strong 3-piece crank for simplified maintenance. Plus, the sports seat delivers complete comfort. Designed with 26-inch wheels, the Dolomite best fits adult riders approximately 5'6" to 6 feet tall.